So apart from getting in some vitamin D, y'all, I am so happy with my skin because a few months back, the breakouts that I had were just unbelievable. And I just needed it to get fixed. And I'm so thankful I came across a skincare where I've seen such a drastic difference in my skin. The texture is better, the breakouts are less, and even the black marks are fading. This morning I went to wash my face and realized that my first bottle was done, so I needed to go and replenish, y'all. And now, I haven't even told you what the product's name is. Here it is. It is called Glycolic Acid Face Wash, and I've been using the moisturizer. And thankfully, I can now add to my artillery the Purifying Face Mask. Y'all, I 100% recommend this. And you know what? I should have known that it would have worked because I've been using the natural hairline for Eleutheran Beauty for over a year now, and I'm in love with how my hair feels. So there shouldn't have been any surprises with the fact that it would have worked on my skin. And guess what? Although it's here in Eleuthera, it's made here in Eleuthera, she also ships to Nassau. Yep, you heard right. She ships to Nassau. You can call her at 559-3777 or visit the website at eleutheranbeauty.com.